Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the Chute-Tilt mechanism on the console of your MTD snowblower. If you have this symptom where you move the lever and it's easy like this, and the Chute-Tilt option on your snowblower isn't working, then that's the video for you today to watch. What I'm going to start by doing today is making sure that the oil cap is nice and tight. Also the fuel cap. If your fuel tank is over half full, you may want to drain some fuel out before you do this. And an old turkey baster will work to remove some fuel, or you can disconnect the fuel line from underneath the fuel tank. Or you can put a small piece of plastic and then screw the gas cap back on. The reason for that is because I'm going to have the blower standing up like this. That will make it a lot easier to work on the part that needs to be replaced. So basically the Chute-Tilt lever mechanism isn't working because the plastic part here is broken. There's a plastic piece here that locks into the metal part, and then when you move the lever, it moves the whole thing with the cables. It's broken, so obviously it's not connecting. Now to start this procedure, you need to remove the bolt here. It's got a 1/2 inch head and a 1/2 inch nut. I'll just be holding the bolt on this side, and I'll use a ratcheting wrench. Now you may want to remove the lever out of the way. However, make sure you put it back in the same position when you reinstall it. Now to remove the cable, you can just flip it up like this. It should slide out. And do the same over here. Now that part's called the cable guide, and it's MTD part number 731-1313. It's just a plastic part like this. What I have here is a good used one, so I'm just going to reinstall this one instead of getting a new one. Now these parts are generally under $10. If you look under the video today, you're going to see a link to where you can buy this part directly online. And now to install the new part, just grab the cables, make sure you put them back in the same position they were on the old part. And once it's in place like this, you're good to go. Now just reinsert the lever back in. And you want to line it up like this. It's going to lock in there. That's the part that was broken on the older piece. Now you want to hold all these parts together and insert the bolt. And now install the washer and the lock nut. Now because it's a lock nut, you don't have to tighten it too tight or else you will not be able to move this. So you just want to snug it up. You just want it snug enough that when you move the Chute-Tilt, it will stay in position. And this here looks very good. I brought back the blower upside right, and I'm going to remove the bag from the gas cap. I'll just do a quick demonstration to show you that it does work now. And just another quick tip, if you find that the tilt here is too loose on the bottom of the chute, all you have to do is tighten up the lock nut over here. It's going to have the same effect as it did up there on the handle. However, if you do over tighten that nut and the one I showed you on the handle there, you're not going to be able to move the Chute-Tilt. So because of that, just make sure you do not over tighten it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, and Instagram. The links are underneath today's video, and have yourselves a great day.